Do you want to learn how to draw this adorable little chinchilla looking Pokemon character named Mincinno or Mincinno? I don't know much about Pokemon, but I do know that we can draw this adorable little character super quick, super easy, and we only use like 2 colors to color him in, so super fast. If you want to do this doodle, please like, subscribe, and share the video. And grab yourself some paper to draw on, a pencil to do your doodle with, an eraser to erase any mistakes that you might make, and a marker to outline your doodle. And don't forget, crayons, markers, colored pencils, or paint to color in this awesome doodle. Grab all of those supplies, and let's get started. Started on Mincinno, I believe is how you say it. He is a Pokemon character, and we are going to, excuse me, we are going to make our paper vertical, so it's going to be tall this way and skinny this way. He kind of reminds me of a chinchilla. I used to have quite a few of those back in the day, so that's kind of what he makes me think of. Very cute little character. All right, so we are going to start by making his head shape. So his head is kind of like a gumdrop. So I'm going to kind of come out and around with his little cheeks. I'm going to do the same thing on both sides. I want to try to keep them kind of as even as possible. I do have a big gap up here. That's because he's got these giant ears. So now I'm going to kind of leave a small space here, and I'm going to make a big curve out. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to turn my paper over so it's easier for me to make that curve. Okay, so we've got these 2 big curves. We've got a gap here of maybe 1 inch. Try to make sure those are lined up. And then we've got a gap in here. We've got a gap here. Okay. Over here, we're going to go ahead and curve down and in. And over here, we're going to curve down and in. So his ears are pretty similar. They're not perfect, but they do look pretty alike. So I am pretty content with his ears. Now, inside his ears, he's got kind of these rounded pieces of fur. So go ahead and make those. So we have a rounded piece here, and it kind of curls back to here. And that's just some little fur pieces that he's got in his ear. And then we're going to do a curved line right there and a curved line right here. So anything I'm doing here, I'm doing here. And that's how we're going to keep it symmetrical. And I'm going to come down, and that's the inner part of his ear. There we go. So we've got his ears are all done. Now, right here in the middle, he's got a big piece of fur that kind of comes up. And then he's got kind of a smaller piece that kind of curls down. And then behind that, you're going to add a curved line for his head. A lot going on, a lot of lines, but very cute little doodle. Okay, now we are going to go ahead and add in his arms. So his arms are just going to be some curves like that. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So very simple little arms. His body is going to curl in and out, kind of like our hamster drawing. So in a little bit and then back out. We want it to be a little skinnier up here and a little wider where his legs are. We're going to do his feet, which are just going to be some curves here, and they're going to curl in, and a curve here, and it's going to curl in. And then you can kind of go across there to match up those areas. You can give him some little lines for his toes. And I don't know, I don't think he has any lines. Well, we can add some lines here for his little fingers. Okay, now right here in the middle, he's going to have a little patch of fur. So you can go ahead and add in that little patch of fur. And then we're going to go ahead and give him a little smile right here. So boop. We got his big old eyes to do. So his eyes are shaped kind of like a piece of candy corn. think of a candy corn or a teardrop. They're going to have that rounded triangular shape. And we are going to put a circle, pretty good sized circle towards the top. And we are going to do kind of like a half a circle down at the base. And this whole area up here is going to get colored in black. So if you want to use your Sharpie, you can go ahead and color that part in. There we go. So we've got his face. Now he needs his tail. So his tail is going to start over here and it's going to make a nice big curve down. And the other side, we're going to curve down about halfway and stop. And then we're going to make some poofy parts of his tail here. Poof, poof, and poof. And there's our little Mincinno. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But there's our little doodle. Now we get to do the fun part of coloring him in. So go ahead and grab your markers, your crayons, your colored pencils, or your paint, and let's go ahead and add some color to little Mincinno. Look at how cute our little Pokemon turned out. I hope that you had fun drawing with me today. If so, please like, subscribe, and share the video. And I cannot wait to see you again next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.